Hi, this is Laura Milligan, and I am so excited to share with you our January Heartfelt card class featuring the Honeybee Bundle from the new January to June Mini Catalog. And those of you that know me probably are not surprised to know that this is my favorite bundle of products in this new catalog. I love bees, and Sherry Roth, my Canadian demonstrator friend, has created the projects for this class, and they are adorable. So we're doing things a little bit differently this month, so I want to just take a minute to explain how this will work. In our class, you will get all the products, parts and pieces to create 3 different cards, 2 of each, so that's a total of 6 cards, and then a cute little tag. And included with the tag will be, let me pull this in, the one of the printed gusseted cellophane bags that is also a new product in the mini catalog. My order for these are arriving tomorrow, so I don't have one to show you, but that would be included as well. Super cute. So what you'll need, the way this class will work is that you will go to my website, which is lauramilligan.com, and I will have the link below in the description once this video is done. And you're going to need to order the following supplies. You're going to want to be sure to use this host code because that will tell me that you are looking forward to receiving the card parts and pieces from me in the mail. Your products, though, are going to come directly from Stampin' Up, and it will save you a little bit of shipping. So I thought that was a good change that we were going to make. So what you'll need to order is the Honeybee Bundle. You save 10% when you order it as a bundle. So it's the Honeybee stamp set and then the coordinating dies. And then a bolt of yellow ruched ribbon that you will use on the projects in the class. And again, I will have the numbers for these products in the description below. And then you're really close to the $50 point, which you need to get to qualify for a free Saleabration product. So I would recommend adding something that we're using from the class. Maybe the Wink of Stella. You could add the dark Daffodil Delight blend. If you need dimensionals or glue dots, baker's twine, any of those products will get you above the $50 point, and then you will be able to purchase this Golden Honey designer paper as your free Saleabration reward. And you will need this to create the projects for our class. So once it is over $50, you will add this as your Saleabration choice. If you already have this bundle but would still like to participate in this class, you can order any products that you want and using this host code, and then I will know that you are looking forward to receiving the card parts and pieces for this class. But you can order anything you want just using that host code in order to get the products for this class. So once you order your products, they will come directly from Stampin' Up, and then I will mail you shortly afterward the card kits for you to create 2 of each of the cards and the tag with the bag. And the only other products that you will need for this class are the Tuxedo Black Memento ink, the Daffodil Delight ink pad. I used the Dark Daffodil blend, the Wink of Stella, and then a basic black marker. If you don't have this, we also have a journaling pen that would work as well. So once you order this class using the host code, you will receive a PDF that has all the measurements so that you can recreate these cards if you want to make additional ones in addition to the kit that we'll send you. And you'll get a video, an individual video for each one of the projects, so you can watch them, refer back to them over and over again, and we walk you step by step through creating each of the projects. And what else do I need to tell you? I think that's it. We are really excited about this class. We hope that you are excited as well. These classes have become more and more popular as time goes on. Sherry and I have been offering these for several years now, and they are super cute. We get great feedback from our customers, and I'm hoping that you will give it a chance and try one of our Heartfelt card classes to go. This class for me will be released on January 15th, and registration will end on January 27th, 2020. I'm sorry, January 27th, 2020. And it will be shortly after that I will be sending you your card kits. I'll pay the shipping for the card kits. So that is also a little bonus. These come free with envelopes and everything you need to make the super cute projects. If you are local to me and would rather just have me order these products for you, I'm happy to do that. Just send me an email and I will take care of ordering for you. If you already have the honeybee bundle and would like just to participate by just purchasing the card parts and pieces and the tag part and piece, you can do that, and that would be $30. That will include all the card packets, and then also a bolt of the ruched ribbon, and that price will be $30. And if you're local to me, you can just pick that up, and if you are not local to me, I'm happy to ship it to you. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have time to be creative today.